Ladies and gentlemen, I am back, and this will be the third and final video that I want to do tonight. I just, like I say, I'm just trying to get caught up. And tonight, I'm going to go over my top 5 picks for 2018. Now, you should probably already be able to guess what they are because I've been going in on all of them. So here's my website. Oh yeah, to the guy, this is my website, not a desktop wallpaper of myself. I mean, that's a devilish handsome looking man right there. Come on. But yeah, that's my website. Stay informed in my Discord channel and or my Telegram channel. Become part of the community. I hope you do. I know many of you are, because both of those things have been blowing up like I'm giving away free Bitcoin. But I appreciate it. The community that's forming, it's great. All you guys have been great. I only think I had to kick and ban one person out of Telegram. He kept spamming referral links. Out of like the 600 people that have joined in the past day, it's been a pretty good group so far. So I like that. And if you join, and help me out too, because I really want these communities to be communities of help, support, helping each other. All of that, and I do chime in. I do get involved every now and then when I've got a minute. So, yeah. And I don't think there's anything really particularly new on my website. So I guess I'll just get right to it. What's my first one? My first pick for 2018. Of course, it's Dent. Look, this is one of my coins that I've went, I bought like 15,000 of it recently. Look, these guys are cranking away. They're working on this stuff, and I'm more interested. This is their app, their mobile application. But if you look at the roadmap, I want you guys to really get an idea as to what's coming down the pipe for 2018. Dent is so cheap right now still. Actually, let me I'll show you. All the coins that I've talked about so far, except Verge, have gone up since I told you about them. But we're gonna go over this one. We're gonna go over them a little bit. So it's 2 cents, right? It dipped, so it went up after my video. Not that it wasn't because of my video, but it did go up after my video, and then it dipped, and now it's starting to go back up. And I think the market cap's up to $685 billion, people. I knew it was going to come back after the holidays, but it seems like typically a lot of money just dumps right back into Bitcoin. That doesn't seem to be the case. Money's starting to go into altcoins. I think 2018 could very well be the year of altcoins, because after watching Bitcoin go from $20,000 and drop all the way down to as low as 11, I think that volatility just freaked a lot of people out, and they're like, you know what, my money's probably safer into these altcoins, because Bitcoin's just notorious for spiking high and then dropping, spiking high and then dropping, and people are kind of, unless you're swing trading Bitcoin, there's really not much point in pumping into Bitcoin. You're going to do better long term just putting it in alts and leaving it there. So anyway, it's at 2 cents. You can load up cheap if you haven't already. And then check out their roadmap. This way you get an idea as to what's coming, and you'll know, okay, around Q1, I should expect a big increase. Q2, probably going to get another big increase. This is all a guess. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all a matter of opinion. But you can read in detail what their roadmap is going to be like moving forward into 2018. I'm pretty pumped about Dent. I think this is going to be the year Dent starts to shine. Hopefully they change that crappy logo into something better, maybe rebrand this website a little bit. If you're watching this, anybody at Dent, come and give yourselves a facelift. You deserve it. Next on my list is Tron. I think Tron's going to do really well over 2018. I'm on the Asian version, I guess. Japanese, I'm not sure, Chinese. I know one of you is like, it's Chinese, stupid. Maybe not. I don't even know. I don't even remember. I think it's China. But anyway, that's not important. I think Tron's going to do well in 2018 as well. Their roadmap is a significantly longer term roadmap. I think this is something that you're probably going to hold on for a couple years. Granted, everything that I talk about in my videos is a buy and hold for a year or more. Okay? I'm in it for the long haul. I'm in it for the big money later on. I'm not in for the swing trading. I'm getting in. It's going to go up 10 cents. I sell it, try to buy the dip and deal with all that crap. I don't have time for it. Buy it and hold it. Just buy it, put it in a wallet, secure it, and forget about it. So, but yeah, I mean, this is going to be a much longer roadmap of growth, but I think there's a lot of potential in Tron. And the more I look into it, the more I'm like, yeah, I think it was a good move that I bought this. Next on my list, I just put a video out about it. District 0x. Again, I think this is really going to start coming into its own in 2018. And it's still cheap. It's still, shoot, I hate it when I do that. No, I don't want to donate Bitcoin, but thank you. It's still cheap. It's 15 cents. Get it while you can is my opinion. I think it's going to do really well over 2018. Ethos, another video I'm putting out tonight. I'm actually uploading all these, so these are probably going to go boom, 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 and they're just going to show up. But look, Ethos I think this is going to be, honestly, it should possibly be my number one pick. But I think that Ethos is really going to blow up in 2018, man. The more, I really want more. I wish it didn't go up already. I wish it didn't go up to over 450 already since I bought it at $2. Because I really want more. Oh, excuse me. It's getting late. But I'm probably going to end up buying more. I want at least 1,000 of these. So we'll see. We'll see if I get them. There's still so much other stuff. I mean, there's so many really good ICOs. And I might even do a top 5 ICO pick for 2018. Coins that are either currently in ICO status or just closing. I can give you 2 right now. BitDegree and Telcoin. Those I think are going to be really big moving into 2018. And Neuromation I think is going to be really good too. So see there, I just gave you top 3 ICO picks and you didn't have to ask for them. So yeah, Ethos. And then last but not least, I mean, come on, let's face it. This has got to be my number one because it's the most ridiculous coin. And I just think it's going to just go gangbusters in 2018. It's Cardano. Cardano's going to be freaking huge. I'm pretty sure anyway. I sure hope it is. But these guys really have it together, man. I mean, you can't beat having a small army of brainiacs collaborating and working together on a project. This thing is just, and it's up to 85 cents. Like as I talk right now. So my first video about Cardano was at 33 cents, I think. And it's already up to 85 cents. And it's going to keep going. I mean, it just is. Look, here. Cardano, 86 cents. It's gone up again since I looked. Hold on. Let's look at the one. Where is it? There we go. 1 month chart. Look at this. Bam. This is beautiful climb. Beautiful. Look at that swing. It didn't even gradually. It just went. Whoop. This is my coin for 2018 by far. I bought enough of it. That's why I try to buy 15,000 anything I get, because 15,000 to me is just a magic number. It's a sweet number. If it goes up, like it's gonna hit $1 probably. I'm gonna guess pretty soon. And from there, I wanted to see $100. I want this to be $100 in 2018, and I will. That one coin alone will make me a millionaire. If Ethos, there's been talk about Ethos potentially getting to $1,000 a coin if it can take over CoinBase. I think it's absolutely possible. The system is beautiful. If it did, my measly 800, it's $800,000. I want any one of these coins, if they can go up to $100 or $1,000. I mean, I want any one of these coins to make $1 million. But if 5 of them go up, a fifth of the way there, I still made $1 million, right? So 2018 should definitely be a good year. Electronium. I almost put Electronium on my list, but I got to be honest with you guys, and I haven't done I own 15,000 Electronium. And some recent stuff has been brought to my attention recently about Electronium, and I didn't like it. And I don't want to spread FUD, and I don't want to spread unsubstantiated kind of hearsay. But a buddy of mine who is a wizard, like a tech wizard. I mean, he has a very, very, very good job high up in the tech industry. I think he's built and calibrated like 5 or 6 like massive mining rigs, like GPU mining rigs, custom built the whole things. I don't even think he needs heat like this winter, because All his mining rigs. I saw he put a picture up of one of his mining rigs sitting in front of his fireplace. He's like, we don't even need the fireplace. We just let the mining rig run. Um, but I'm just saying that I'm not exactly 100% sold on Electronium as much as I once was. That's what I'm going to tell you guys now. I'm not dumping it because I still think there's room for it to grow. But is it going to get to $50, $100? I'm starting to doubt it. I think that, well, I'll leave it there. If some of this stuff that I've been hearing starts to really come into fruition and it starts presenting itself more and more, then I'm probably going to do kind of an expose kind of video on my thoughts and my opinions on Electronium. But just know that I'm not buying anymore. I've got what I got. I got it all at a penny, and that's fine. But I'm not feeling too super bullish on Electronium at the moment. So that being said, I hope you guys have a great evening. I got to spend the rest of the night trying to fix my audio because I know there's a little hum, even though I'm using my Yeti and I got all that set up. And I'm just going to try and get you guys 3 really good videos tonight to kind of help you through. And I may not do another video for a couple days because I got to get really busy. But I'll probably come back with some really in-depth stuff here this weekend. Probably some Cardano stuff and more. So on that note, thank you guys, and I will see you soon. Oh, yeah, and just to let you guys know, I've got some graphic designers working on some Crypto Crow gear. Here's the thing. When I'm talking about, what I'm trying to build, I'm trying to build a brand, not just a channel. I'm a marketing guy. I market, everything. When I was a fight promoter, when I was in the music industry, I had bands touring the country on MTV and all kinds of stuff. I've done a lot of crazy stuff, but I'm all about marketing, and I'm all about building a community and building. That's just what I do. So I'm actually working on a merchandise. You can call it a line if you want. It's probably just going to be a cafe press jobby. But I want we're creating a crow. So it's going to be the Crypto Crow. He's going to have tatted wings, and it's going to be a little aggressive. Some of them will probably be a little aggressive, but it's all going to be cryptocurrency themed. It should be a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys dig it and sport it and help spread the word, especially if I make you some money and you go out and get a t-shirt like probably I was made rich by the Crypto Crow, something like that. I don't know. We're going to have some fun with it and come out with a lot of different options, some simple, some, a little more brazen. But on that note, let me know what you think and have a good evening, guys, and I'll talk to you real soon. I'm out.